Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving any unsent text and copying important content. Once saved, close the app where the keyboard is missing. If the app won't close, force stop it in the app switcher or settings. Next, restart the phone, hold the power button and select Restart or Power Off then Back On. This clears temporary glitches and resets keyboard services. Make sure you have device passcode ready after reboot. Once the system reloads, reopen the app and check if the keyboard appears. Once rebooted, go to Settings and navigate to Language and Input or System right arrow keyboard, depending on your phone. You need to confirm a keyboard is enabled. Toggle your preferred keyboard on and set it as the default. If you have multiple keyboards, pick the one you want so the system doesn't hide keyboards when switching. If the keyboard app is missing or outdated, update or reinstall it from the official App Store. This replaces corrupted files that can prevent If enabling the keyboard didn't work, clear the keyboard app cache or data in App Settings, and then reopen the app. This removes bad temporary files. Next, test typing in multiple apps to see if the problem is app-specific. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to check for third-party keyboard conflicts, disable or uninstall suspect apps. As a final step, back up your data and perform a factory reset. If it still fails, contact the device maker, mention actions you've taken.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.